Many artists begin painting with enthusiasm but soon feel confused. They try to improve by watching random tutorials, buying more materials, or copying demonstrations, yet their paintings still feel flat, overworked, or uncertain. The missing piece is usually a solid foundation. Learn to Paint with Impact is a practical course designed to help you understand what makes a painting work. Instead of guessing your way through each painting, you will learn how to use values, composition, color, and brushwork with intention. This course is for beginners and intermediate artists who want more clarity. You will learn how to simplify a subject, create stronger value patterns, arrange a better composition, use color with more confidence, and develop brushwork that supports a painterly, expressive result. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to help you build a meaningful painting process that gives you confidence every time you begin. If your paintings often look weak, muddy, overworked, or uncertain, this course will help you realign your approach and build a foundation that you can trust and lead to more enjoyable painting time. The course benefits include how to see your subject in simple paintable shapes, use values to create stronger light and shadow. You know, if your painting doesn't look like there's actually real light in it, it's usually about the values. You'll learn how to build compositions that hold together and get the attention of the viewer. Avoid weak, scattered painting decisions. Mix color with more confidence. Understand color temperature and color harmony. How to use brushwork to create energy and movement. And overall, develop a more intentional painting process. This will give you clarity and confidence. So if you're feeling overwhelmed with too many painting tutorials, too many YouTube videos, and you struggle to find what's important, and your paintings look overworked, try Learn to Paint with Impact. It is the lessons that I used to learn how to paint. And if you like what I'm doing, you'll love Learn to Paint with Impact. You don't need more talent, you just need a strong foundation that will build confidence and help you create paintings with a start to finish approach. If this sounds like the right fit for you, follow the link in the description, and I look forward to meeting you in Learn to Paint with Impact today.